Welcome to Car Reviews, where today we're diving into one of the most exciting and luxurious releases of the year, the all-new BMW Motorhome 2026. This is not just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece on wheels that blends the legendary BMW performance with the ultimate in travel comfort. If you've ever dreamed of a vehicle that drives like a premium sedan but lives like a five-star hotel, this is the one to watch. The exterior design screams BMW from every angle, with sleek lines, signature kidney grills, and adaptive LED headlights that give it an aggressive yet elegant presence on the road. Built on a reinforced lightweight chassis, the BMW Motorhome 2026 offers both stability and efficiency, making it perfect for long highway cruises or mountain adventures. It's equipped with aerodynamic bodywork that reduces drag, improving fuel efficiency while maintaining that iconic BMW style. Under the hood, this motorhome doesn't hold back. You get a powerful hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged petrol engine with an advanced electric motor, delivering exceptional torque and smooth acceleration. The all-wheel drive system ensures grip in all conditions, while BMW's adaptive drive technology keeps every journey comfortable and controlled. And for the eco-minded traveler, there's an impressive electric-only range for quiet, zero-emission city cruising. Step inside and you're greeted with pure luxury. The cabin is a blend of premium leather, sustainable wood finishes, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The cockpit features BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system, complete with a massive curved display, augmented reality navigation, and voice-activated controls. The driving position is high and commanding, giving you a panoramic view of the road ahead. The living space is where BMW has truly redefined the motorhome experience. You'll find a spacious lounge with modular seating that converts into a dining area or a cozy bed. The kitchen is fully equipped with a smart induction cooktop, convection oven, large fridge, and even a built-in coffee machine for that perfect morning brew. In the rear, there's a luxurious bedroom with a queen-size bed, memory foam mattress, and climate control for year-round comfort. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and premium fixtures you'd expect in a boutique hotel. Storage has been maximized throughout, so whether you're carrying camping gear, bikes, or extra luggage, there's a place for everything. Technology is everywhere in this motorhome, from solar panels on the roof to an intelligent energy management system that keeps you powered off-grid for days. There's also BMW's advanced safety suite with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for stress-free maneuvering. The BMW Motorhome 2026 isn't just transportation, it's an invitation to explore without compromise. It delivers the thrill of BMW driving, the comfort of luxury living, and the freedom to take your adventures anywhere. If you want the ultimate blend of performance and lifestyle, this motorhome is ready to take you there. If you like this review, make sure to subscribe to Car Reviews for more exciting automotive updates.